Hello friends, today we will be dealing with seating arrangements level 3. This is another model. They will be giving the seating arrangement in a square model. Okay. First we go through the basic information what they have given, and then we go through point wise. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to get our seating arrangement. Okay, later we will be moving to our questions. Okay friends, there are 8 friends P, Q, R, S, T, V, W and Y. These are sitting around a square table in such a way that 4 of them sit at 4 corners of a square, while 4 sit in the middle of each of 4 sides. Okay, I think you understood this point. This is a square. 4 are sitting at the corners and 4 will be sitting in the middle. Okay friends, and then the one who sit at 4 corners means these. Okay, the one who sit at 4 corners facing the center. Okay, and while those who sit in the middle of the square of sides face outside, those who sit in the middle of the sides face outside. This is the basic layout of the seating arrangement they have given us. Okay friends, now we will be moving to our next part, that is what are the basic information they have given us. See friends, this is the basic information. Once again we will draw our layout. This is the square, 4 persons sitting in the center, 4 persons at the square, and the person sitting at the corners are facing the center, and the person sitting at the middle are facing the outside. Okay, is this okay for you? Now we will go through the basic information. Okay, first see, S sits third to the right of P and P faces the center. This is the continuation we need. Here they have given us P faces the center and S sits third to the right of P. P is facing the center means he should be sitting at one of the corners. So that now we will be taking this corner, and S sits third to the right of P. If the person is facing this side, this will be his right side, isn't it? Okay, then what will be the position of S? 1, 2, 3. This is the position of S. Okay, then S sits third to the right of P. We got it. Then they have given us Y is not an immediate neighbor of P or S. Y should not come here, and then also not here, here also, and then we have only 2 possibilities, either here or else here. Okay, for suppose we will be taking here. Okay friends, till now we got the information. Okay, and then T sits third to the right of R. We will be going through continuation. R does not sit in the middle of any of the sides, and also R is not an immediate neighbor of Y. R will not be sitting in the sides in the middle of sides. Okay, so that R should be sitting only at the corners, and also R is not an immediate neighbor of Y, so R should not come either else or here. Okay, and then we will be taking R here. This is the possibility we have, isn't it? Okay, we may also have other possibilities. We are checking this. If we did not succeed in this, then we will be moving to other. Okay friends. Okay, next, only one person sits between P and V. Okay, do we have any possibility of taking here P? No, we already have Y here, so that we will be taking V position here. Okay. Okay friends, next point, Q is not an immediate neighbor of V, so that Q should not come here. Then where should the place of Q should be? It should be here. Before one point I have forgotten here, that is T sits third to the right of R. R is facing the center, so this side will be his right side, isn't it? So third to the right means 1, 2, 3. This is the position of T. Okay friends, we got it here. This is the place of P, this is the place of T, this is V, this is Q, this is R, S and V. And what should be the place of here? It should be W. Okay, W is only missing here, so that we take W here. Okay friends, by satisfying all these conditions, we got this arrangement. Is it okay? I think you got. Here the place is not sufficient for me, so that I did not take any alternative. By the way, I got the correct arrangement here. Okay, to save your time, you also take alternative. Okay, always we may not get the correct sitting arrangement at once. Okay, I recommend you to take the alternative also. Okay friends, now we will be moving through our questions. What type of questions will they be asking in our exams? Okay, see here. If all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order in clockwise direction. What is clockwise direction? This is the clockwise direction. Okay, starting from P, the position of how many, you also should include this, excluding P, so that we should not include P in this number, will remain unchanged as compared to their original sitting arrangement. Okay, now come, we will be arranging this in alphabetical order. P, Q, R, S, T, V, W and then Y. Here how many persons are sitting in the same original position when we have rearranged them according to the alphabetical order? Do we have anyone? No, we did not have anyone, so that we should choose the option none. Okay, now we will be moving to next question. See here, which of the following is true regarding Y? Okay, then we should go through all options. Okay friends, T is not an immediate neighbor of Y. No, T is an immediate neighbor of Y, so this is wrong. Next, Y sits in the middle of one of sides. Y sits at corner, so this is also wrong. Next, R sits second to the left of Y. As Y is facing the center, this will be his left side, isn't it? Okay, R sits second to the left of Y. This is the correct option. Okay, next, P and V are immediate neighbors of Y. Is it that true? No, this is also not true, so this will be wrong. Okay, C is the correct answer here. Now we will be moving to next question. Okay, see here, who amongst the following sits fourth to the left of V? V sits at the corners, so that he faces the center. So left side should be, this is his left side. Okay, what did they ask? Fourth to the left of V. Okay, we should choose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth position. So the person sitting is Y. Y is the person sitting fourth to the left of V. Okay, now we will be moving to next question. See here, what is the position of Q with respect to R? With respect to R. Okay, this is Q position, this is R position. R is sitting at the corners, so that he faces the center. So this will be his right side. So Q is sitting immediate right of R. Okay, what is the option we have? This is the option we have, so we should select this. Okay, next question. See here, they have given us the question like, 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way, so form a group. Okay, we think 4 of the following, 4 are alike in certain way. We should observe in what way they are similar. So form a group. Which one is the one that does not belong to that group? They are asking which is just odd man out. Okay, Y, R, W, here P, you take it. Okay, so that Y, R, P are sitting at corners, where W is sitting in the middle. Okay, here the odd man will be W. Is it okay friends? These type of questions will be asked in our bank exams. I think you all understood how we should do the sitting arrangement and how we should observe the questions and how should we answer them. Okay, by these three videos I think you got some clarity in seating arrangement. In further videos we will be going much deeper. Okay friends, thank you.